and I call them thing 1 and thing 2. Where are they? Oh, it's okay. Take a cup here. No! Not in the house!
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house! They should not! Think of something to do! You will have to get rid of me! Oh dear, you did not like our game. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. This is so old. We cannot pick it up. There's no way in the world. Have no fear of this mess,
said the cat with a hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle. If your laptop opens and you may ask, disinvolve.